to make 4 meal preps for the week, ranging between 45 and 50 grams of protein and around 500 calories each. For today, we've got 2 hot honey chicken with sweet potato, 2 cheesy garlic parmesan with sweet potato. Let's get to it. So first of all, you need your 800 grams of sweet potato. You're just going to be chopping those in half and half again, and then just dicing them into nice little cubes, ready for the roast. Drizzle your choice of oil. I always go with rapeseed because it's less intrusive on the palate. You can use olive oil, and then we're going to season to taste with a bit of salt and a bit of pepper. Now you want to be preheating your oven 200 degrees Celsius. Once that's nice and hot, ready for the potatoes to go in. In they go, and on with the chicken prep. So you got your 800 grams of chicken. To that we're sprinkling over 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, 2 teaspoons of onion powder, and a tablespoon of paprika. I just love using paprika. Look at that colour. Right, all seasoned. Get a couple of forks, flip them over, and season the other side. And then they'll be ready for the oven. All the ingredients in the instructions will be pinned in the comments below. And while you're in the comments section, feel free to suggest any meal preps you want. This one was actually suggested by the Right Piece TV. And to be honest, pivoting away from your normal pasta or rice dishes, this works fantastic. Right, going to be sticking some foil over the chicken that is ready for the oven with the sweet potato. On with the sauce. First up, we've got the hot honey. So you want to be drizzling some honey into a little ramekin, adding your hot sauce. Now I've gone for Encona West Indian sauce because it's pretty spicy and I like it that way. So your honey and your hot sauce getting nicely mixed together. Look at that. That just looks fantastic and the taste is immense. If you've not tried hot honey, guys, give this one a go. And that is ready for the chicken. Next up, we've got the cheesy garlic and parmesan. For this, you'd be taking 30 grams of cream cheese. I prefer light, it's lower on calories. 20 grams of grated parmesan, 2 tablespoons of milk, teaspoon of garlic, and black pepper to taste. Once the ingredients are all in a bowl, give that a good mix, and that's ready for the chicken. Whilst the chicken's cooking with the sweet potatoes, you want to be taking your veg, ready for that to join the sweet potatoes in the oven. So I've gone for 1 whole courgette or zucchini, depending on which side of the pond you're from. Now I'm going to be using a bell pepper yellow. Obviously the choice of colour is all yours. I feel that the yellow is a sweeter option, so 1 pepper will make you 4 portions with this. Once your veg all chopped up, remove your sweet potato from the oven. Give it a little stir, make sure all the sweet potatoes is recoated in that lovely oil and salt and pepper mix. And then all you're doing, guys, is you're getting your veg, sticking it in, giving it a mix, and just want to be making sure all your veg is nicely coated, mixed in well with the sweet potato. Next up, we've got 2 cups of cherry tomatoes. Now I've gone with peppers, courgettes or zucchinis and tomatoes because basically I just grow them in the garden, so it's pretty much free food. Give that another mix, and that is ready for the oven. Whilst your veg is cooking away, remove the chicken. Give it a quick turn over, making sure both sides cook evenly and there's no pink bits. Now it's got about another maybe 10 minutes on it. Whole cooking time, total 30 minutes. 4 meal preps in 30 minutes. Can't ask for much more, really. Sticking the foil back on the chicken, and then we're taking a long old walk to the oven. Pop it back in there with a sweet potato, let that cook off for about 10 minutes. And then what I'm going to be doing now is just taking the veg out of the oven after about 5 minutes and then just sticking on some Mange Tout. Again, grown in the back garden. Lovely this time of year. Get all my free fruit and veg. Give that a stir. On goes the Mange Tout. And then, you guessed it, back into the oven. My senses tell me that the chicken is pretty much ready now. So, out it goes. What you want to be doing is just taking a dish, removing any excess liquid. Look at that, guys. Oh, if you could smell this. Take your chicken, slice it, dice it, do what you please with it. You can have it in big chunks or little chunks. I prefer the smaller chunks. Nice bite size, easier to eat. Chicken all prepped, out with the veg. Get a second dish because you want to be doing 2 portions of each, or should I say 4 portions, because each prep makes 2 portions. And then all you're doing is splitting the chicken into 2. One for the hot honey and the other for the cheesy garlic and parmesan. Ooh-wee, this smells insane, guys. Now you're just taking your sauce from earlier. As you can see, this is the cheesy garlic and parmesan. Spoon that over and give it a good mix. Next up is my all-time favourite, hot honey. Taking your ramekin, getting rid of all that sauce, give that a mix in. Just look at that. The colours in that are superb. One last little visit into the oven, only for a couple of minutes, just so the flavours can infuse into the chicken and the veg. And there we go. Look at that. Oh. All you need to do, take a spoon, get 2 suitable size containers, spoon it in, let it cool, and stick it in the fridge. And there's my hot honey chicken. I'm going to have a portion now and pop the other one in the fridge to join the 2 cheesy garlic parmesan meal preps. Just look at that. So for the hot honey chicken, you've got 45 grams of protein, that's 500 calories. And the cheesy garlic and parmesan, that's packing over a whopping 50 grams of protein and only 550 calories. Don't get much better than that, guys. Now, if you do have any ideas or suggestions, please drop them down in the comments so I can bring them to life for you. Always up for suggestions. If you are feeling generous and liked what you've seen today, please remember to drop me a like and subscribe and stay tuned for more. Also, if you're looking for any further inspiration, check out this playlist. It's got some belters in there. Until next time.